Here guys, I ordered stuff from Amazon that I want us to unbox. This is 25 watts USB-C fast charger. 25 watts USB-C fast charger. See what it looks like. There we go. So this is brilliant stuff. USB-C fast charger. So this is something that I ordered from amazon.co.uk. I ordered this because sometimes when you order some speakers, a lot of speakers are coming these days without C charger, but some of them will come with the cable, but you need a charger to go with it. This is USB-C charger. Order this from amazon.co.uk. It deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.